the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this, but before I do that, I need to tell you some things. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and make sure you watch all my videos to the end. That really helps me. Now let's get to this unboxing. So I think these are like little squishies. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's squishies. I think you unbox 3. Okay, and I got these at Five Below for $5, so you could get this at Five Below. Has really good designs on it. Okay, so let's start opening. I think I am gonna open this one. Oh, gosh, this is like really hard. A little bit. Oh, there we go. You just need a little bit of scissors and it'll be right away open. So yeah. I think these are little squishies or something. It's a little hard to unbox, but it's okay. Oh, it opens like a Chinese box. Like, you know when you get like Chinese food and you get like a side dish. That's really cool. Ooh, look what is inside. Oh my gosh. That is really cool. I wish I could show my family this because it looks so cute. Okay. Oh, then there's like little chopsticks. Ah, little green stuff on there. Little chopsticks, I think. I think there's one more. Let's dig into this. Oh, I see it. Right here. This is really good for $5. Okay, so I think I'm gonna dump this out. I really want to see peel all of this. So I'm gonna put I think I'm gonna put this down here. If you hear a noise, that's my doggy because he's coming over here. Doesn't go away. Okay, whatever. We're gonna open the first surprise, and it has like a little hatch right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Hatch, open. Ooh, cute. I don't know what this is. Let me see on the box. Sorry, guys. I have to go down. Ah! This one is, I don't know what that says. But I guess I got this one. It's cute. It's squishy. At the top. And it's a little keychain, I think. Like this right here, like the little keychain. Maybe you could put it in your backpack or something. Whoosh! Ah! No! Guys, I'm gonna get that real quick. Be right back. Ah! Sorry. I didn't want it to get like dirty. It's already dirty. Okay, well, it's okay. We got this. Ah, it's getting stuck in my hair. Okay, well, I'm gonna throw this down here. Guys. So I think I'm gonna open this one. This one's really ripped. Ah, it's ripped. I'm gonna try the other side. Rip. 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 It's not, okay, I'm gonna just use my scissors. Snip a little thing right there. Ooh, I hope I didn't get a duplicate. Oh yes, I actually like this sushi. This is my favorite sushi. This is my only sushi I like. So, like it has a little shrimp on top and then some rice at the bottom. But I think everything has rice at the bottom. Yeah, I think everything has rice at the bottom. I'm not sure. Ooh, but I really want to get this kuka? I don't know. Sorry guys. I don't know this stuff. I'm going to open the chopsticks at the end. Don't be a duplicate. Okay, at least we didn't get a duplicate. But this is really, really fun. Now let's open the chopsticks. It's cute how they come with chopsticks. You could throw these away. Oh, you could cut. You could cut, but I don't really want to cut. I'm just going to give it a snip. And like just here. This is, oh, there's a, where's the other one? Oh, there it is. I feel it. It just doesn't, oh, dude. There we go. Okay, now I don't know how to use chopsticks. Let's see. Not gonna work. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it like this. Eat. Okay. Well, that was all, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys. Peace.